So there was a question on Reddit as well, which I'll go back to now, which says, with the state of the industry and hiring trends, particularly around accounting for AI bots flooding the inbox of recruiters, how does a mid-level or a developer stand out, even a junior trying to break into the industry? So, yeah, I got. I had an incident last year with whereas a bot or a real person using a fake LinkedIn profile, a Deepfake filter over their face on a call, trying to I still don't know what the end goal is, what they're trying to achieve, but yeah, people are trying to con their way into jobs, and I suppose this answers a little bit about everybody asking, yeah, how they can pick up jobs remotely, and why people don't want to hire internationally remotely is because people are getting so many instances of foreign nationals from wherever they're based, like people applying for their jobs, and not turning out to be genuine engineers. I think that has a real negative for people. But the way to deal with it is to be a real person online. Like if you've got a profile, and I don't know if you follow me on here or on on LinkedIn. I suppose this is slightly is LinkedIn, but if you're on LinkedIn, if you're on Reddit, if I'm on Mastodon, if I'm on Twitter, I use the same handle. I I try to make sure that there's continuity about it. I'm always using the same graphics and the same voice, and if I'm posting stuff, I share it across multiple platforms because that builds trust for you guys to listen to me, or to come to me when you need help. So I suppose if you're constantly ever present as John Gould on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Mastodon, on Reddit, your name will be, and GitHub, your name will be consistent. Or if you use the same, what's it called, profile name, whatever, everywhere, then your profile will grow. You can make that known within your CV. I think the one thing that bots can't replicate is like genuine human interaction. That's where I suppose by going to conferences you get to meet people in real life. You get to show them that you are a real person, that you've given up your own time to go to a conference to learn, or to a meetup, or you're actually doing things that a bot can't do, which is having those human interactions. I think that's the best way to do it. And look, a lot of people think of recruiters as there to help you when you're looking for a job. I think that makes the relationship very transactional. If you've got wherever you're based, if you've got a recruiter who works in your space there, talk to them regularly. If they're in your city, ask to go and meet for a coffee, chat about the market, go and ask them questions about like what tech people are hiring, what should they be learning while they're happy in their job, and making sure they're doing so that in the future you can be more hireable or more desirable from a hiring perspective. So building those relationships when you don't need them, so that when you do, they're already in place, and then people will be like, oh yeah, I've met that person multiple times or spoken to them. I would accept their CV and their application. Try that.